Hi everybody! So I was so excited about the new Lego 2 movie. I wanted to create a cake with a character that everybody is talking about. A lot of people are talking about Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi. Queen Watevra is really hard to say because it's kind of like Queen Whatever. She is a character that can transform into pretty much everything. She can transform herself into anything she wants, from this beautiful horse to, they say, just to a pile of bricks. And of course, all the kiddos love it because she's a really, really pretty horse with a beautiful crown on top. So I wanted to show you the new Lego cake, Queen Watevra. This cake is really super cool because it's 2 layers of cake with buttercream frosting in the middle. So you can choose whatever cake you want. I chose vanilla and chocolate. I first started out by cutting the layers into this pattern that I made of Queen Watevra, and I'm going to put a link to that in the description below, so you can just print it out and you can make your cakes as well and cut them out as well. Now once it's done, you stack the body on the bottom and then the head on top, and then take some buttercream frosting and create crumb coat layers so you can put your top layer on top. Now I put the chocolate layer on top and put another coat of buttercream frosting on it. And put a buttercream coat of frosting all the way around. Now I smooth it out and take some wax paper and kind of make sure it's smooth. Next, I cut out the top part of the leg, and any area you cut out, just use that buttercream frosting from that and then just put it back in that area and create your shape of your cake. And take your knife and just kind of even out all around the edges, all the way around the cake. Now I take my first layer of yellow fondant and I put it on the bottom of the cake. And now you just start cutting out pieces that are going to fit all the way around the cake like it were pieces of Legos. And use a knife or a little roller to cut the pieces out, as well as just make designs on those. And I just used the picture as my guide as to where those pieces of fondant should go. Now when I have all the layers of fondant laid out, I also use fondant to make kind of the top prongs of the Legos. And when that's done, I make the eyes. The mouth. And this is a super cool part. I take a packet of white fondant, I'm going to roll this out and use this as the background. Now I'm going to take some edible paint and literally paint it like it's a canvas. When it's all done, I put my Queen Watevra on top of it. And I'm going to use some skewers and a little crown that I got at Party City for the top. So there is your Queen Watevra cake. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so let me know what you think about the Queen Watevra cake, as well as what do you want me to make in the future. Of course, I make a lot of cakes, as well as crafts and just regular cooking recipes. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you know next time we post a video. Tell me what you think about the new Lego 2 movie as well. See you next time. Bye.